kaka riwruok mar KMPDU ewi wachni daktari.
KMPDU together with all the other counties wadwa kawo legal action against Siaya County because kawaweyo ni gimachal kamae mondo timbre odhi keto a very bad precedent ma counties mora any leader nyalo tiyo kawuono gokinyi mawach ni all contracts in this county are therefore terminated without due process. Due process nitie. Ka in gi jatich manigi papers ma are not proper, you serve them. Ingiso gini, show me your papers. Toko biro toko, they have not showed you their papers. You take it a step further. Itero papers ge a DCI kata the normal disciplinary process mark counties. Lakini one person chiyogo kinyi to wacho ni all employees within this bracket as from today are ghost workers. It is illegal, and Mano, I can assure you, you will have a very big legal tussle with Siaya County.
Tokamana ahinya daktari, kwan maromo 380 ok en kwan matin ahinya, gin oganda mathoth mosebedo ka chiwo thieth ne jokanyo